It is day 5 of my road trip in South Africa, and today I'm driving from Roadtrip to Knysna. In this video, I'm going paragliding for the first time and staying at a tiny house in South Africa. Wow, let's go. Road trip day 5, let's go. Let's go. That stay at the bubble tent at Seaplas was unbelievable. What a unique experience, I really enjoyed it. The plan for today is we are currently making our way to the Woodlands to go paragliding at cloud-based paragliding. I'm extremely excited, I guess a little bit nervous as well. How are you feeling there?
Yeah, very nervous.
That looks crazy. Looks pretty scary, not gonna lie. Hey. This is what it's about. This is why we do this road trip. To have experiences like these and to live life a little bit more on the edge. Okay, cloud-based paragliding just arrived. We are getting ready to get going. My dad is actually going first.
Nervous about all of this. Just trying to focus on not running away right now.
Let's go!
These are as powerful as loud voices.
Third time's the charm.
Alright, well done, Andre.
Let's go! Then we arrived in Knysna and made our way to Woodlands Country Retreats where we stayed the night. I documented my stay there, showcasing the kitchen. There's actually nothing in there. The bathroom, the bedroom, the kids' playground. It doesn't only have to be for the kids. The private forest walking trail. This is a pretty nice bench. And where to eat. If you want to see an in-depth tour of the tiny house at Woodlands Country Retreats, click the video that pops up in the top right corner of the screen. The plan today is we are making our way down to Plet to end off the road trip. Unfortunately, what an amazing time it's been.
Great, loved every second.
I look forward to the next one. We are back on the road again. For the last time this road trip. Thank you for watching, thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're new, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next one. I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers.